Hello everyone, I am Vamik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law, Aligarh. Currently I am also legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. So today's my presentation topic is casteism in India. So India is a country which is known to be very cultural throughout the world. However, the culture rooted deep in the country also has a various problems. We are a country that has a prevalent problem of casteism. Casteism refers to discrimination based on the caste of a person. It is great social evil that needs to be done away with. It is responsible for stopping the country from developing. Furthermore, it also causes oppression which is very bad for the society. To impact of casteism in India or on life of Indian people. So basically the religious and social circle dictate casteism in India. Mostly people live in rural areas are facing this problem tremendously. This problem is centuries old and needs time to be abolished completely. During the early times, the villagers are segregated on the basis of their caste. They were made to live in separated colonies. Even the place for buying food or getting water has segregated from those of the upper castes. For instance, the highest caste, therefore Brahmin never touched anything which belonged to a person of a lower caste. Moreover, they were denied entry into implies as they thought them to be impure. When we look at the present scenario, the impact may not be as serve as in the upper caste as in the early periods, but it is still worrying. The people of the upper caste are very much looked up to and given access to all amenities, whereas on the other hand, the people of lower caste are not given such respect in certain areas even today. Sometimes they don't even get the same rights. Furthermore, intercaste marriage is considered such a taboo. It almost a crime to marry someone you love from other caste. While the people in urban areas have broadened their thinking, rural ones have still not. The villagers still do not believe in this concept, and it also gives rise to honor killings. This is also a major problem. A social evil. Casteism is a great social evil that must be fought against. We need to get rid of this unjust system. Moreover, it only exploits the lower caste sector and emends out ruthless treatment. The lower caste people are working hard and making a place for themselves in society today. So there are some uh, there are some major problems which arises from a long time in India casteism. So we need to abolish this social evil right away for a progressive India. Just because a person is born into a lower caste family does not mean it will determine their value. Caste is nothing but a concept with no reference to the worth of a person. Therefore, we must not discriminate on the basis of a caste of a person. And it is also exploits the lower caste sector and metes out ruthless treatment. So the government, there are some measures the government takes. The government also tries to help the lower caste people through their reservation system. As they do not get equal opportunities, the government ensures they get it through the reservation. However, it has also its negative points, like it kills the opportunity for deserving people and hampers the growth by bearing actual talent. So this is all about casteism in India. So uh, this presentation is not for any promotion and advertising. This is only for knowledge purpose. And if you have any questions related to casteism in India, please mention in the comment box. And please like, subscribe Please like this video and subscribe the Lexis and Company Law Firm channel. Thank you and have a nice day.